How to post something on Pinterest. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can post on Pinterest, or how you can create pin or board on Pinterest. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to post something on Pinterest, you can simply go ahead and open up Pinterest. Once you have done so, you can simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen that you'll get. So at the bottom you can see the plus icon, you want to tap on it and you'll get the two different options, that is pin or board. If you wish to create board, you can tap on board, or if you wish to simply create a post, simply tap on pin, and then you will need to give the access to your phone storage so that it can access your gallery and videos, and there you want to select the particular video or post or GIF that you wish to upload and then go ahead and post it. So this way you can post on Pinterest. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues as well.